Hi guys, today we have a very cool unboxing to do. So this is in this what seems like a very small box. There's my hand. This is actually an AirRam Hoover from Gtech. So it is one of their cordless vacuums, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing and first go of it so you could see what's happening. So let's get to the unboxing. So it arrives in this box. I actually, when it arrived, I couldn't believe how small the box was. I was like, there's no way that can be a Hoover. But let's have a look inside. So here it is. Now, I believe this is one of the market leaders in the cordless Hoovers. So it comes with its booklet, as you can see there, with all the information in it. Obviously, read the booklet before doing anything with it. And let's see what bits we have. So this is the Hoover head, all wrapped up in plastic. Wow, it's actually quite a big Hoover head. That does look like it's going to be pretty good, and that is the other attachments. So I mean, that is just so clever that it can all pack down into that tiny little box, and that is your Hoover. All these wee bits will be the Hoover. Okay guys, so let's look at how to assemble the AirRam. So I'm going to take you through the assembly of it, because I know I've looked online and I couldn't find too much about this Hoover except for fantastic reviews. So it seems like it's going to be super straightforward to assemble. We have the base unit there. It's obviously still got, it's just out the box, you've seen me unbox it, so it's still got all its plastic on it, so all that has to come off. It's got little plastic bits on there. It looks pretty straightforward, that it'll just be clip and click and play kind of thing. So I'm going to have a quick read of the booklet and be back with you. So some of this might actually be quite hard for me to film, but I'll give it a go. So the first step is to pop this bit of the handle onto this bit of the back unit of the actual Hoover mechanism there. So I'm just going to pop that in and I'll be back. So to actually pop that in there, what you need to do is, I do everything one-handed because I've got a camera, is you have to actually take this bit out and then it will insert in there, no problem at all. So I'm just going to do that and I will be back with you. See how easy it slides in and out? I just slid it there with one hand. So as you can see, it just slots in like that. You'll see the little green thing is still popped out, and to secure that in place you just pop it back in. And as you can see, that's it back in. I've slid that green thing in to secure it, and we are starting to look like a Hoover. How exciting. So we have it like this, and the next part is this part here, and this just clicks into place with this here. Like that. So far it looks like this. All really simple to connect together so far. So the parts that we have left to connect are just these two little bits and the plug. So these two just click together, button side down. Unfortunately I couldn't show you the click because I've only got one hand, but you can see that it clicks together and that keeps it in place on both sides, and that is the handle all clicked together. So before I actually charge it up, I forgot to show you some of the features on here. So not only is it cordless, obviously you just charge it up overnight or whenever you need to use it, but it comes with this super handy way of actually cleaning up after yourself while removing all the dirt. So all you have to do to remove the dirt is just pop this out. This whole unit comes out for cleaning. How actual handy is that? I mean, that is amazing, isn't it? Super easy to clean, and it pops back in the same way. So there is a couple of other cool features of the AirRam. So you can actually remove the brush head for hardwood floors, so that it gets into every nook and cranny kind of thing. So that is awesome. So it's so versatile, so you can go from carpet to hardwood floors just with taking that little brush out, and it does a better job than any one that you can not remove the brush heads, if you know what I mean. The charging time, it is about 4 hours, I believe, to fully charge the unit. So for the best practice of the AirRam, you actually need to tip it down first before you turn it on. So tip it down, press the on button, and she is a go. Oh my goodness, you can feel the suction. Oh my goodness, that is some suction. Now I actually have 2 dogs, so I actually look for a lot in a Hoover, and this is, I mean, it feels absolutely amazing. Well, you can see the the way that it's cleaning the carpet already. You see those lines it's leaving? Oh, who doesn't love that about a Hoover? A good Hoover. So there will be more details of the AirRam in my blog post that I'm writing about this product. Full disclosure, this product was gifted to me from Gtech, so thank you so much for that, Gtech. I know I'm going to absolutely love using this. So far, I mean, if you could see, well, you probably can see now that I'm showing you, but look, I have 2 dogs. There is not a hair left on that carpet that I have just hoovered, which is amazing. Full blog review will be linked below. I hope you enjoyed this little first test of the Gtech AirRam, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for joining me today, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys!